That's it. We found the airplane. We can get in right there. Holy crap.
Really fresh. Yes.
Whoa.
I mean, yeah, always have fresh stuff coming in.
This black spider just came down right as I was coming down. What I was about to say before the spider got in my face was that we're going out to Cartersville today to see. This TV's on. I'll do this when we get there. How was your CC's, my queen?
Delicious.
Now, what I was trying to say earlier, when I was interrupted by a spider, I saved you from a spider in the hallway. You'll see it if you watch the vlog. That we are in Cartersville to go down this trail here and find an abandoned airplane. And so we're gonna go down here. We're gonna go around this little gate like the instructions tell us to. All of this stuff is also like online, and apparently this property is owned by the city of Cartersville, so I don't think we're trespassing. Hey, may end up in jail. It'd be an even better vlog, right? All right, we're gonna go down here and we're gonna find this abandoned airplane in the middle of Cartersville. A little smile, you look so cute and nervous. So it says no dumping, but it doesn't say no trespassing. So I wonder if it's way back here. Is that where it's talking about the road? Yeah, because the road forks. So we got to go way back here. All right. Ready?
Ready.
Let's do it. So this is one of those like parks where you can park at and walk. Technically, I think the area we're going to is technically probably not supposed to go there, but there's no signs of who telling us we can't.
But why would there be a website telling you how to get there?
Well, because I can make a website and tell you how to do stuff illegally that I shouldn't do. All right.
Like you saw something.
No, I was reading this sign over here that says "Do not enter." It says, "Can't get it? Do not enter." I can't get the words. All right, so this is the gate entrance.
You smell
nice
that?
graffiti. No, I do not. A dogwood smell?
The dogwood tree, white tree.
Oh.
You want to smell it?
Oh, the white tree there?
You want to smell that? I see it.
Very nice open area. I want to get away from being able to be seen there. All right, so the road's forking to the right here. We're supposed to follow that, and then it's supposed to fork off again, and then we go to the right still.
That's guns.
Is that guns?
That's a gun. Ain't it?
Sounds like trees breaking or something. Yeah. Okay, so I think this is the fork.
Oh, this is the fork.
Yeah, I think.
That's just an open.
I see something big over there, but I don't think that's it. I think it's this way.
It said go right? Should I read it again?
Yeah, let's pull it up again.
Meadow on the left next to a stand of trees. Back into the meadow.
I wonder if it's in here. Those are like pipes or something. Is this an open meadow? This looks like a giant open. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah. Pretty certain this is it. I should have brought the drone out here. I don't know, city land, maybe I could not. By the way, the shipping container mentioned on that website is gone. Just when you come here, you'll get on the gravel road and just keep going to your right. And then when you see the big open field, it's right there to your left. The sun is killer. But before we show you this really dope abandoned airplane, make sure you click the like button for us, click subscribe, and check out Indulge Clothing for the merch. That's it. We found it.
Wow, that didn't take any time.
It didn't. That's it. We found the airplane. We can get in right there. Holy crap. Somebody's been back here doing something. Wow. Oh my God. Holy
Yeah, people come back through a lot of it.
Yeah. Some of the smells fresh. Look at the windows because they're so strong. They can't break them. Why hasn't some like country person came out here with like a shotgun and shot one?
There's glass everywhere though.
Wow. Oh, you can go in right there?
Looks like it. You going?
Holy crap, yeah. This is gonna technically be my first time in an airplane.
Oh yeah, I'm not walking back there.
You're not walking back there?
No, it doesn't look very sturdy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. What's back there?
That board moves.
I don't know. I don't think it'd fall. Holy crap. Hey, there's some piping here that some of the meth heads forgot. They definitely stripped a lot out of here. Wow. I don't know why this was cool to me and why I wanted to come out here, but so this is one of the wings. The wing looks like it was literally like cut off. See?
Why did they put it here?
I have no idea. What else what's over here? Is that supposed to be a pot leaf? I think it is. Like that may be a part of it. This looks like it's a part of it. Maybe the nose? No, that'd be too big for the nose. More paraphernalia. A lot of people seem to come out here to smoke. There was a Starbucks girl here sometime now.
Beer and spray paint. A lot of people come out here.
This is magnificent.
We had to come here by ourselves, I think.
Yeah, I was kind of afraid somebody would be out here. Did I just do a video? I did a video. Well, we found the abandoned airplane. Let's take a picture now. Big gaping gash in the side here. The graffiti gives it an artistic look in some ways and then also kind of destroys it. I think in something like this it doesn't matter to me so much, but like fancy old houses, I hate when they have graffiti. This one also just looks like the wing was like just cut off. I don't know.
And when was this again?
Yeah, mid 2000s. So it's been here like 15 years or something. I don't know. Oh yeah. I would love to. Should we look in here? There's a Comcast remote or DirecTV. There's literally still seats in there. I think we could sit in here. Because this is made out of metal, not wood, so it's not going to fall through. They got these windows busted out. This looks like the tail of it, so this wasn't like a very big plane, I don't guess. I don't know anything about planes. I guess this was like a private plane.
Mm-hmm.
I think that website said it was like discontinued and the number on it or something was discontinued in 2005, I believe. So crazy. All right. Got some wood to stand on here. One of them moves. Wow. Someone started a fire in here. Oh, that's a wasp. Yeah. Yeah, there was a fire started in here for certain. Well, we did it, my queen. Our first abandoned adventure. Cartersville abandoned plane. I don't know, do you have anywhere you want to go?
Is there another abandoned place in Cartersville?
We can look.
We should.
We're gonna look. We gotta go. Oh, I'm not recording. I can hear an airplane. There's an airplane over here. Well, that's the abandoned airplane. Pretty cool. We're gonna look for some other abandoned stuff in Cartersville while we're out here. So that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you liked it. I think we're gonna do more of these. So click that thumbs up for more. Click subscribe. Check out Indulge Clothing for the merch, and we'll see you next time. Deuces.
Bye. We don't know if we're allowed to, but we just did.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
No, it was just
There's no one over
Was
there.
it cool?
Yeah, I thought. Just circle around. Just keep going to the right and you'll see a giant open. So I guess we were leaving at the right time as other people were coming to see the plane. Look, it says, welcome back to reality.